Guess who this?
Tricky in there.
Guess who this?
72 floors in Atlanta at a Westin.
72.
Yeah, that master key there. That special key.
Brooks is waving at him.
Alright, I'll get the door for you.
I don't think I've been on. Oh, maybe
Well,
I
this is a
was.
nice room.
The Twin Towers. You were there? I
Smells,
was.
smells nice and clean.
9 months before it
Sounds
happened.
like it's ready for a guest.
It is ready for a guest.
And we got lots of guests here.
Yeah.
Can you get it?
How do you get the...
Well, there's two outlets.
It's right there, sweetie. There you go.
Oh, okay,
It was
fine.
hiding from you.
Yeah,
Alrighty.
definitely got
is
the
nice.
outlet sockets. I know my how Jacob would like that, the elevator channel. How I have the convenient outlets for you.
Yeah.
Now,
What kind of
TJ, we
TV?
have 121 rooms here at this
Those are
property, and
Yeah.
every single one of them have a fridge and microwave in every room. And then our amenities in the bathroom is actually Bath and Body Works.
Oh, okay, neat.
No way. Wow.
Okay, TJ, you want to see what kind of brand they got?
Yeah, let's check on this mini fridge and microwave. So
Okay.
it looks like this is, let's see, another Tatung microwave, and is this this is
Right
a
here. I
snack mate
All right.
fridge, and yes, it opens this way.
Is it working?
Is it cold enough?
I think it is. Seems
All
pretty
right.
cold.
Good.
And the Keurigs?
Yep, Keurig machine. This is a Tatung microwave Tatung,
Yep.
kind of like the microwave that Hilton Garden Inn had.
Yep.
Okay, same brand?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, they had an Avanti fridge over there.
Yeah, they had a different fridge.
Alrighty.
Back early 2021, it'll be all fresh and brand new.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that. Me too.
So how old is this hotel?
1989.
1989? Have y'all owned it the whole time? Really? Okay.
Yep. And my office has been here the whole time.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Showing my age.
Brooks, this is a Tatung.
Oh, I got the door.
Oh, you do?
I got it.
Oh, okay. I'm sitting here. We're both holding it.
We're both in.
It's the keys to the elevator room. I got all the cards.
You can tell this one has the sun shining through.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one where the sun is, because this one's brighter.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is the
Another
first time
Tatung microwave.
my hotel room.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
No, he eats breakfast at Hilton for now.
Snack mate fridge.
18 years from now when he's
Yeah.
He loves Amadu's breakfast over there.
I'll say,
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a room that has two beds.
Yep. 2 full beds.